Yes.
Hi, my name is Ziza. I'm representing Africa Youth Festival.
Move.
African youth, African youth, African youth.
That's the other time that no event is complete without Coca-Cola. And Coca-Cola recognizes the fact that this is African Youth Tourism Festival 2024. They recognize youth in tourism, in hospitality, in all vibes of component of life, entertainment. So, and they supported this year 2024 African Youth Tourism Festival. We've been exploring on water. Look at it. Look at the creativity. Look at these years. That even everywhere, as we've got some people up there. They are dancing, whining, dining, and we are also here, cooling our head, chilling at the same time, discussing Coca-Cola. Thank you very much. This is African Youth Tourism Festival. You can see the harvest is cool. This my sister came in here and said, "Wow." Every woman loves the Abias. I'm telling you, all the way from Abia State. Emu Coke, Emu Coke, Emu Coke, Emu Fanta, Emu Coke.
Of their fathers, they'll be like, "Wow, daddy." Sweetheart. Yeah. My phone is behind you.
For cousins.
Yeah.
Campus tourism show. Campus tourism show. African Youth Tourism Festival
2025.
So,
and some other great projects. Lagos is beautiful. You can come here, no problem. No wahala here.
God bless our minister.
God bless our minister.
The working minister.
Yes.
God bless Mrs. Lola Adejon. God bless you.
what is
This one, when they move on. Yeah, when they open it. I don't need to talk about that one. I like one or when they class. I like that one. That's all. That's no way. You won't go to there. You don't put that out here.
Your birthstone, you an earthstone. I'm listening to you, baby. Come on. You want me make it happen, baby. I know. Want me to keep you happy, baby. I know. Can't hide when you come low.
You can see the boat is leaving. What that means is that African youth tourism brought this anything called tourism. Yo, what's up, everybody? This is the beach where the fresh air is coming out to people. You can see my team. I just come in. Of you, she's supposed to be the reporter for this event, but she just disappeared, and we did not. Why you be on this beach, sis? Listen, are you supposed to be on this beach, or are you supposed to be working with me?
Oh yeah, raise it. I'm feeling so excited. I'm feeling so, Okay, so tell me how you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
As in, how you enjoying all the program?
It's fun. It's fun. Seriously, it's fun.
Can I meet you? Yes. So tell me how you feeling right now? I'm feeling very, very good.
Yeah, my name is Oporize, aka Opera.
Okay, so can you tell me how you feeling right now?
Well, yeah, today I'm happy. I'm really happy today. I'm happy to be here.
Can I meet you? I'm a Adetutu. I'm where Adetutu. That's it. Okay. Can you tell me how you're feeling right now?
Hungry.
Please tell me how you're feeling right now. What's going on right now?
Well, I'm feeling excited. We are here to marry in African Youth Tourism Festival here due to from city.
Okay, so tell me how you feel right now. So excited, like I'm happy. It's my first time, but I'm loving it. Okay. So are you from 1 to 100? How can you scale this program? For now, I give it 100. 100%. Yeah, for now. Are you tell me how you feel right now?
Okay, that's what I do.
Are you tell me how you're feeling right now?
I'm feeling fun. I'm on top of the world.
Okay. How are you feeling right now? What's going on?
I'm enjoying myself. I'm feeling cool. My name is David Oloyede.
Nice meeting you, sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah, sir. How do you feel about this grand finale of African tourism?
In fact, it's a wonderful one. Since we started on Tuesday, today I see today as the best of all. So we're looking forward to another one next year.
Oh, right now, yeah, right now it's 7 p.m. Lagos, Nigeria, and as you can see, the moon is out, and the sky is very, very blue, still cloudy, and the atmosphere is cool. As in, when you're talking of cool, it's been cool all through. It's been cool and it's spicy all through. Thank you. So right now, I need to appreciate and I need to say thank you to the executive, to the planner, to the committees, to the friends and families, and African Youth Tourism Festival 2024. Yes, it's a privilege, it's an opportunity for me to be here. It's been a while. I've visited a lot of nice places in Lagos, but I have a great opportunity through African Youth Tourism, and I really appreciate them. It's a very great one. I really enjoy myself, having a nice time at the beach, having a nice time with friends and family, meeting new people, as in doing a lot of series of things, expressing my feelings, like out of depression, I can feel myself. It's a great thing. It's a great thing. If this could be happening every year, I believe a lot of youth come out of their shell. They will come out of their depression. They will come out of what is not making them happy. And I just want to say thank you to them. It's a very good one. It's fun. I enjoy myself. I'm happy seeing a lot of people. I'm happy meeting a lot of people. Yes. Thank you, African. Thank you, Nigeria.